In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a cabin filter in a Subaru Forester. It is located underneath the right side under the dash. Underneath your glove box door, there will be two Phillips screws here and here. You need to remove those first. Once you remove those two screws, open your glove box door. Once you open up your glove box door, you have 7 Phillips screws. You need to remove those. You also have 2 Phillips screws on the bottom, one here on the right, and one here on the left. Remove your glove box assembly. Now that we have our glove box assembly out of the way, this is your cover for your cabin filter. You need to remove that. There's a clip here and clip here. You just want to pull down and pull out on your cover. Pull out your cabin filter. On your new cabin filter, there'll be arrows like this. You want that facing up. Slide it in, make sure it's locked in. To install your cover, you want to put it on the top 2 tabs first. And then clip in the bottom. Now we're ready to install our glove box. Just a quick note that there's 2 tabs here. Those go into these 2 holes there. Now you can open your glove box door, push on the top here, and make sure it's clipped in. Now you can install your screws. Once you put all your screws in, just make sure the glove box door opens and closes.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.